Hi everyone, Annette Kessler here with a new video tutorial in the 12 Cards of Christmas series. You have a link to the cutting guide and instructions in the description under the video. You can go ahead, grab that for free and print it out. So we're going to start with our first piece of the horizontal triple easel card that we're going to make today. And we're going to score it on the short side at 2 3/4. We're going to score it at 2 3/4 on the short side, and then fold it and burnish the fold. So this is basically our base for the card. It's a really cute card. And now we are going to we're going to cut on the 2 3/4 line on the long side. We're going to cut from the top all the way down to the horizontal score line that we did. And then we're going to align the paper with 5 1/4 and again cut from the top to the score line like this. So this is what we have. These are the 3 easel parts. So we're going to fold the top and align the folded edge with 1 3/8 like this. And we're going to fold the bottom as well so we can see. Align it with the 1 3/8 and then score the middle square only like this. And then on the other 2 squares we're going to make a diagonal score line from the corner to the other side like this, from corner to corner, and then fold it. And on the other square again, from corner to corner, and fold it. So these 3 pieces are our easels. So the one on the left and the one on the right are diagonal easels, and the one in the center is a straight horizontal easel. Just folding the score line. So this is what we have. This is what we did. So we have the center, which is straight, and then the 2 sides, which are horizontal like this. And this is how it folds flat. So now we can go ahead and start covering our card with the cover papers. So I'm going to start with covering the large part of the card, because we also need to make stops for easels so they can stand when we open the card. So first we're going to cover this part, the bottom part of the card, and then we're going to cover the front of the easel. I'm going to start with the center one, which is straight, and cover the bottom part of it. This is the part that folds to the front. And then we're going to cut our square cover paper into 2 triangles so they can fit on the diagonal easels. So we're going to attach those as well. And of course, always we're going to align the paper, make sure that it is straight and centered. And then the other side. Okay. So this is how it looks so far. Now we can go ahead and add embellishments and stoppers. So I'm going to use foam tape to add dimension to my card, and this one will go in the center. I'm aligning it with all the edges so it will be centered. And you can pick whatever embellishments you want. For this part, I simply cut out some images from the paper collection, and I'm using foam tape. Now when you attach an embellishment to the sides, if it has a direction, you see that now it looks like it's laying down, but when the easel will stand, you will see that it's going to be in the right direction. So make sure that you glue your embellishment, if it has a direction, in the right direction. Now I'm going to add little stoppers, again with foam tape. It keeps them high enough to stop the easels. So you fold the easel and then you attach the stopper to where you want it to be, like this. And since it's high because of, has dimension because of the foam tape, then it stops the easel from collapsing. So it stays folded like this, standing up. For the sides, again, I'm using cutout images with foam tape, and you can see how they stand really well when you use foam tape for the stoppers. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video, so you won't miss anything and you'll be able to follow all the tutorials and make all the projects. You can also become a member of this channel for a really small amount and support me and all the free videos that I upload every week. And I will love and appreciate you no matter what you do. If you want to become a member of this channel, you can click the join button and then become a member and get exclusive content that only members get. So I'm adding another embellishments, and basically my card is ready. Isn't that cool? I really like how it turned out. And I want to thank everyone for joining me, and I will see you next time.